I can talk about the mission of Ohio Legal Help, how we leverage technology, remove, barriers to the civil justice system. But I always like to focus on the user because our mission is our users.
You look at the figures that show how few people really have access to the justice system by means of lawyers, that you realize that there needs to be another way to provide them access. And the website portal is clearly that way.
When somebody of a lower moderate income has a civil legal problem and they cannot afford a lawyer, they are at a very significant disadvantage.
We're a statewide program, and when I say that, all 88 counties, whether you're in Franklin County, Jackson County, it doesn't matter. We're there to serve you. And one of the reasons we think we do that is because, well, one, we're 24/7. But we're something called mobile first, which means that if you don't have broadband, if you're low income, and what you have is a cell phone, you can still fully access all the services on our site.
We want to reach everybody where they are. And that means that we want to make sure that people of all socioeconomic levels can get information. People that have all different types of educational levels can find it. As lawyers, we have a duty to make our system better for those who are living in our society. And if people have legal problems and can't get access to information or to lawyers, that's not how our society would work. For our society to be the best, the freest society where people can reach their best potential, we need a legal system that works for everyone.
In particular, remember this one user who said, "Thank you so much. I had my mother pass over the last year, right? And they had a lot of things to think through their estate. And so she didn't want to leave her daughter in that situation. So she came to our site, learned about the information on our site, and she basically said, God bless you, because now she's better prepared. She's going to do some of it herself. She's going to talk to an attorney. But because of the information we provide, the education that we do for the public, it really helped give her some peace of mind. So I think about impact at the individual user, but I also think about the impact in terms of the over 2.1 million folks that we've assisted since we've launched.
Using technology in an innovative way and addressing what is a really challenging problem, I think Ohio Legal Help deserves a lot of credit.
As much as attorneys provide pro bono services, all the great work that Legal Aid does, there's millions of folks that need help. And because of that, those folks still need information. They need information on how to navigate. And so that's our challenge. How do we help those folks, right? And how do we help those folks in a way that they can access our services regardless of disability or language or where they are? So we try to think about all those things as we look through the barrier of trying to do justice for all.